Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to host Lovable website. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for Lovable. Make sure you're on the official website. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, select the project you want to host and open it. Next, look for the GitHub icon and click on it. Choose Connect GitHub and authorize the permissions if prompted. Select the GitHub account or organization where you want the repository to be created, then confirm the transfer. After the process finishes, click the View link to open your project repository on GitHub. Inside the repository, click the Code button and select Download Zip. Once downloaded, unzip the files on your computer and confirm that the main files, including index.html and assets, are present. Now choose a hosting platform such as Netlify, Versal, or GitHub Pages. Create a new site and upload the unzipped files, making sure the index file is at the root level. After deployment, open the live link and verify everything loads correctly. So that's basically how you can host Lovable website. That's it for this video. Thanks.